In this week's episode of Mod Mondays, we're going to be installing these random but super useful accessories from Amazon on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Let's go. Most of the products in this installation are from Amazon, with each being super affordable at less than $50 at the time of this video recording. With Amazon Prime Day coming up, check these products out, which I'll link in the description box below. Let's start this install with the car door step made by Fat Trip. I bought this for less than $40 to help me reach the other side of my roof rack to easily load and unload for my trips. This is a universal product and uses the U-shaped door latch of your Tacoma, with the angle being adjustable for various users. This comes in various colors and I chose the dark gray to match my Tacoma. This feels premium to the touch and heavy duty and can support up to 400 pounds. To install this, use the door latch of your Tacoma. You simply need to secure this hook to this latch, then adjust the rubber shoes for your desired angle. Please ensure that this is flat to the door frame for a secured fit. When that's complete, carefully step on this and reach your roof rack. As you can see, this allows you to reach to the other side of your roof rack, which is an added convenience when loading and unloading. This can also be easily folded and stored on your Tacoma. I found that the perfect spot for this is the storage underneath the rear passenger seat here. Next, let's install this heavy-duty trailer hitch lock. This is suitable for 2-inch receivers and has a 5/8-inch diameter pin. It comes with 2 sets of keys, rubber O-rings, and of course the hitch lock itself. It has this push-to-lock design and comes in this black rust-resistant coated pin. To use it, simply unlock, detach the lock from the pin, insert on your hitch hole, and lock in place. I'm installing mine to prevent theft of my hitch mount reverse light. We'll insert this here, which should be perfect for the 5/8-inch diameter of the pin. First unlock it, then install 2 O-rings to avoid vibration while driving. After this, insert the pin and then install the remaining 2 O-rings on the other side. Then simply insert the lock head and push and lock this into place. The next accessory I found random but useful is this RFID Faraday pouch made by Monojoy store. This is intended to block thieves from stealing the signal of your key fob and using it to duplicate and unlock your Tacoma. The package comes with these 2 leather pouches that feels great and premium to the touch. It has this nice Velcro to secure it together, with the inner pocket being an RFID key fob protector. It has this detachable key ring on the inside and this metal hook on the outside. Grab your keys and simply insert them to the pouch and Velcro shut to secure. To test this, let's first demonstrate how you typically unlock your car. When you have your key fob, you can unlock your vehicle by simply touching the door handle. When the key fob is inside this Faraday pouch, this should stop the signal and not allow the vehicle to be unlocked even if you're touching the handle. Not a bad investment for less than $20. If you're enjoying this video so far, please smash that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Next, let's install this blackout sunshade from a store called Cust. This is aimed to block UV rays to keep your Tacoma cooler and protect the plastic panels from sun damage and fading. It comes with a storage bag that's connected by Velcro to secure it. this instruction manual highlighting the product specifications and how to fold this for storage, and this premium sunshade made of double-layer high-density fabric. Please note that the silver side is intended to face outwards towards the sun, and the blackout side to face towards the interior of your Tacoma. Twist and fold this and head to your truck to try it out. Simply remove it from the storage bag, face the silver side towards the sun, place this on your windshield, and secure it in place by folding down your visors. To store this, simply remove it from your windshield, fold it in half, grab both sides with each hand and twist it in the opposite direction, then push your hand together. This will automatically fold up and ready to be placed on the storage bag. I store this on the pouch behind the passenger seat, which fits great and is easy to access. The next accessory is from Meso Customs and is specifically useful for Tacoma owners that has added a fuse tab to power ditch lights, dash cams, or any aftermarket accessories that taps into the fuse box. The one I bought is the second version of this and has slots for spare fuses and includes a fuse puller for ease of use. It also includes exit points for multiple fuse tabs coming out of the fuse box. Another feature is being able to reuse the original fuse cover. We simply need to align the sides with the two holes to the side with the two tabs, and the lock side to the other end of the fuse box cover. Head over to your truck and let's take a look at the fuse box. As you can see, it's currently exposed and in risk of debris and dirt getting into the fuses. So we simply need to remove the exit points to allow for the fuse tab wires to go through, and then simply attach the cover itself. Grab your knife and cut these out. Then simply attach the fuse cover. Please note that the side with the two holes goes to the front of the truck, and the side with the locking tab goes in the back. The last accessory we're installing is this minimalist key fob by Meso Customs. This is more for aesthetics but has an added bottle opener for convenience. Similar to other Meso products, this is very well packaged and feels premium at first glance. This is the second version of this product and comes with this detailed instructions in the back of the box. It comes with all the required hardware you'll need in the installation, including this Allen key, bottle opener, holes to secure the fob, replacement buttons, and the front and the back key fobs themselves. Grab your old set of keys and let's install this new key fob. First, you're gonna need to remove the spare key. Then carefully open your old key fob to access the circuit board inside. After that, you're going to need to transfer the circuit board to the bottom of the new key fob. Please ensure that the orientation is the same and that the tabs on the new key fob aligns. Then place the bottle opener here. We'll secure this with a cover later. When that's complete, start placing the new buttons on the new cover. Make sure it's the same symbol order as the old key. After that, we'll need to reuse this white rubber piece to hold the new buttons in place. Then simply place the cover on top, realign the bottle opener, and secure it with the two provided bolt and Allen key. When that's complete, simply add the spare key to the slot provided and test your new key fob. And that's it for this week's episode of Mod Mondays. Let me know what you think of these random but affordable accessories for the Tacoma. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, consider subscribing, and press that bell notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.